Hello and welcome to 2018, and I thought I'd bring you my collection of lenses that I still use. I've had them all, blew all the money on every single lens that you can possibly imagine, and they all sat in the corner of a room collecting a load of dust. There is only now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lenses that I still use on the Sony full frame mirrorless system. There's been a few new releases that have happened recently that I haven't tried. One of those is the 16 to 35 2.8 and also the 24 to 105. But the 24 to 105 is a f4 and that doesn't really interest me, but I am certainly interested in the 16 to 35 2.8. But what do I really use? Having all these lenses from G Masters down to normal Sony lenses, is there one lens that I use simply more than any of the others? I mean, if I was just to get a phone call, someone said, hey, let's go shooting today, would it be maybe the 24 to 70 that I would take for that eventuality? Well, probably not. You see, it's just too damn heavy. And you'll be saying, yeah, come on, it's not that bad. When it's in a backpack strapped to your back all day and you're going in a coffee shop and out and into a mall and out around the cities, it is. So then it would come down to what would you take? And it's a choice then. The 35 and the 55, they're an ideal little pair to just throw in the bag and take with you, and it turns the full frame mirrorless system into exactly what it should be: lightweight. Now, if I was doing a wedding or an event, then without doubt the 24 to 70 gets strapped on. If I'm going out purely to do a portrait shoot, then the 85 G Master simply blows all the other lenses clean out of the water. I don't shoot sports at all, so if I'm going to a zoo or something where I need a bit of extra length, it's this one, which is the 70 to 300 G. I sold the 70 to 200 G Master because every time I wanted to do portraits, it's the 85 G Master. What's the most used lens? The 55, without doubt. Landscapes? What, landscapes with a 55? Yeah, just jig them together. It is such a sharp lens, it's so light. 1.8, getting some nice bokeh. It's realistically the lens that I use the most. It just covers everything, and if you really want a little bit extra, what you can do is slap it in to Super 35 and then you're getting that bit more perfect for a portrait. So that's it. Of all the hundreds of lenses that have come and gone, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that remain. And the 35, well, if you're going out for a day and you just want to take the camera, sometimes I'd leave this at home because it's just a bit too much. But with the 35, it means that if you do see something, you've got your camera with you. And as always, the one that you have with you is the best camera you've got. It's been emotional, guys, and have a great 2018.